Impact Gear. Power grommet with USB. Without the hassle to find a spot to charge all your gadgets, with handy power grommet which is perfect for office, kitchen, living room, bedroom, conference tables, and workbenches. With our center table power grommet, convert your big conference tables into ready-to-access power center. When it is not in use, rotate the power plug net box to another side to prevent water dripping and other microsubstances from getting in the power grommet's outlet. Making sure that your electronics are safe, our power grommet automatically shuts when the electronics have charged, preventing any potential fires or damaged electronics. UL listed power plug-in desk power center tabletop grommet furniture power data hub 2 USB port /1 HDMI /2 Cat6 1 USB Pass Thru, conference table connectivity box, DC101_solid black. Characteristic: this power converts any desk, table or counter into a ready-to-access power center. When power plug net box is not in operation mode, all the outlets can be hidden by rotating to another side. This action can prevent water dipping and other microsubstance to drop in the outlets. Moreover, outlook of power net box is more elegant when not in operation mode. Function: great for conference room, meeting room, school, library, Starbucks, coffee tea house, labs, digital recording studio, gaming entertainment room, etc. Stick with a multifunction manual rotating power net box. Easy to install, just put in the standard table hole and screw 4 sides and it's done. To get the more latest updates, subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon also so that you can never miss any update from us.